Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are launching the Steam, unable to sync if your games. If you get this error, I give some steps one by one follow to this problem. Fix it. Don't waste our time. Let's go to the solution. If you get this error, like sometimes you have corrupted or cloud disabled. So if you get this error, so I give some steps one by one follow to this problem. Easily, deeply fix it. Okay, let's go get the solution on. You hit the OK to come to back from that your Steam. Then I give solution one for clear Steam download files. So we need open the Steam, then go to click on the Steam and go to click on the settings, then scroll down. Here go to click on the download tab, then scroll down. Then here the option of the clear download caches, you hit the clear cache, then click to confirm, click on it. After that you come to back from Steam, then re-sign in the your account, Steam account. Then next go to try the next solution. The next solution for enable Steam Cloud. So again we can go to open the Steam and go to click on the Steam settings. Then here go to click on the cloud. Then if it is in the enable Steam Cloud, if it is turn it off, we can go to turn it on. Then go to your game and you check it again one more time. Cloud status is stopped out of the scenes. So go to the properties. Again here Steam Cloud, here keep save the Steam Cloud taskbar hero. Again turn it off to turn it on. Then retry since. Then updating 100% is completed. Then we can go to one more time verified. Then go to click on the properties. Then we can go to click on the install files tab. Then we can go to click on the verify and degrade of the game files. If you did verification 100% completed, then you will successfully validate. Then you will come to back from your game. Also here cloud status is updated. Then if you have solved this problem, and don't forget my subscribe to comment my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.